Hello guys, welcome back to Mikos Minis. Today I will start to build up a pirate diorama. The main character for the diorama will be this pirate queen. But first, before we handle the old queen, I will prepare some additional stuff for the whole diorama, like these barrels, these treasure chests, and this steering wheel. So I will clean it up. I will prime it, and then I will bring on some colors. After the barrels dried, I will highlight both of them. A regular zenithal highlight is fine enough. After I highlighted both barrels, I will leave it to dry. So I took agar dunes and will paint over the whole area. You can dilute it a little bit, because sometimes two thin layers are better than one thick coat. You have more control over the color. Okay, I will now leave it to dry. I will take a look how the color looks after the first coat, and we'll decide if a second one is necessary. After two thin coats of agarose dunes, this is the result of the barrels. As you can see, I could achieve some light and shadows. The treasure chest I have painted exact the same way, but used the Gore Grantafur as the main color. Now I want to paint those trims around the barrels, and therefore I will mix some black with cold gray in 50-50 consistency. Always use an old brush that you not use anymore for mixing paints. don't destroy your expensive brushes. So this is more or less the color that I want to achieve for the base. Now I will just paint the trims on both barrels. So it's time to highlight the trim, and therefore I will use the Gray Z from Vallejo Mech. As you can see, guys, I have covered the previous painted areas with my masking putty from Green Stuff World. So as the final highlight, I will take some white ink from Vallejo and will continue highlighting the trims on the barrels. The last step of the trims is a highlight with some white, as you can see. And now I will take care of the hat and of the bottle. And afterwards I will paint both treasure chests. I will take care of the treasure chests, so I will grab wood from Vallejo. And we'll highlight the coins. So the next color will be medium yellow. But remember also to reduce the area and apply a filter on it. So this could take a couple of tries and not only one layer. Apply so many layers till you're happy. Yeah, and for the very last highlight, we grab our favorite color ink with the very small dots at the top of the gold. So set up your infinity to a very small dot and apply it in the top of. Now we have two nice and shiny treasure chests with gold, and now I will fix the overspraying on the bindings. So I will take some black, overpaint it, and I will show you the end result. So the first step for the head will be red-brown. I will make a general sketch. So the sketch is done. As the second highlight, I will take wood from Vallejo and apply it on a smaller area than the previous step. At this point, this is the result. I will give it a minute or two to dry and will apply the next coat. Yeah, for the next step I need some ink. I will paint this on a smaller area than in the previous step. Why? Because the next highlight that I will apply will be yellow. You can of course try to paint with yellow over the ochre colors, but this is really difficult because of the pigmentation. That's why I need to make some space for it to look nice and shiny. So now I took the chrome yellow and we'll apply it as a filter over the whole areas, but mostly over the places where you applied the ink. This will bind all the colors together and will give a nice goldy look. And after the yellow, this is the look. As the final highlight, I grab ink once again. I set up my airbrush to a very tiny dot. The goal for here is to place light reflections. This is the final look. Thanks guys for attention for this small episode. I had much fun to paint all these accessories. Please remember that this is only the first part of the whole series. So in the next one I will take care of the main character of the orc captain. Yeah, and this is it for today. I hope you have liked this. If yes, please like and subscribe, and I will see you the next time. Bye bye!